Our boy Vontae about to slide a bit. Y'all see what we got going on. Right, look at this. Come on now, everybody pulled up to this motherfucker. A little private little slide me, you feel me? Come on now. These cars back there deep. Man, listen here, man. Shit happens out this bitch, bro. But at the end of the day, we can get this shit fixed.
My car going.
It's still on though. That's all we know. They motherfuckers still running. Come on. Do we need to push it back or?
Cut that bitch off and then don't turn back on.
That's okay. You still got that bitch in though. This the motherfucker that hosted the shit. Y'all follow him. Tell you what your shit is.
Hey, follow me on Instagram 35.7.
Okay.
Right here on the back seat.
You see it?
Get at them,
Make sure
man.
y'all get at them. All right.
Hey, this is a test run, man. This shit active, man. We about to throw some more out of the box shit. You feel
Okay.
me? Ain't no normal shit, man. We about to get right, man.
Y'all hear him, man? Show us some love. All right. Y'all hear him, man? That's a 5.7. That's a 5.7. I'm telling you, man. Stop playing with him. Them boys out here sliding, man. Turn it on for South Carolina. Stop playing with them, man. Tell them your shit, man. Come on. Come on now.
My shit popped off, bro.